Just taking a shave off the flats of these bolts. Got those mounted in a hex collet block, so once you get the first flat done, it's just a matter of rotating the whole hex block and you get the 6 other faces. The idea being that I'm changing these from 15/16 across the flats to 23 millimeters, which is only requiring about 0.25 of a millimeter or something of that order to hit each flat. So that was one flat done then. I'll shut the spindle off and move it to the next one. Just cutting in both directions. Got the tool depth set, and I'm just doing a traverse across a 40 millimeter traverse fairly slowly just to hit those. So when it's all done, the 23 millimeter spanner fits onto the thing. A little bit of play in it, but so does the original, so that's good. So I've deburred that just on a wire wheel after machining the flats to 23 millimeters. That's to match the original size bolt heads and the spanner set that came with the mill. So that came out nice. It was a bit frustrating having to grab an Imperial 15/16 spanner to work these bolts, which is understandable. They're 5/8 UNC, but the originals, but they had a 23 millimeter head on them. So that's done. That's the last of the 4. The others are in place, holding the head of the mill down at the moment while I'm doing this operation. They look nice too. So job done.